Chinese carpenters join two wooden sticks together. Using tape like this won't work, and tying them with zip ties won't hold either. None of these methods work. You simply can't join them properly. Now let's see how Chinese carpenters do it. First, they cut both wooden sticks at a 45-degree angle, then use a clamp to twist and hold the two pieces together. Next, they use an electric drill to drill a hole at an angle. Once the hole is drilled, they remove the clamp and drill the hole a bit deeper. Then they apply woodworking glue, insert a wooden dowel, and apply more woodworking glue. You see, they coat the entire dowel with glue. At this point, they insert the other wooden stick at an angle. With a slight twist, it lines up. It becomes straight. After joining the two pieces together, they tighten it again with a heavy-duty clamp. Now it's very sturdy. They wipe off the excess glue, and after it dries, they saw off the excess dowel. Finally, look how Chinese carpenters...
This is a skill only true craftsmen can pull off. This technique is called scribing. You transfer the wall's curves onto the wood and carve the board to match the wall itself. A contour gauge captures every uneven line, and you cut along that line with precise detail. When you press the board back against the wall, there's no silicone, no filler. The wood fits so tightly it looks like it melts into the surface. The core of scribing is adapting on the spot at the job site. Because walls are almost never perfectly straight, you have to read curves, slopes, and even tiny gaps. With this method, there are absolutely no gaps, so the board hardly warps over time, and the durability becomes